I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you.
Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and this is my crying baby, Ivory Poppy. Yeah, let's blow your nose, girl. So I have my daughter here because she doesn't want to be on the floor or her room or any other place in this townhome. She wants to be right here with me on top of this desk, okay? Not even at my feet. So she is going to be watching me do this hair review. And okay, I'm sorry. Here you go. Okay. So this is from Beautyforever Hair Company. You know, I work with them all the time, and let me tell you, this new closure wig that these companies are coming out with, like this one in particular, best freaking closure wigs hand down for me. Hands down, it is the most convenient. Beginner, if you're not a beginner, like, it just don't matter. You gonna love this wig. I guarantee it. I highly suggest getting this wig. It is a 6 by 4.5 lace closure, and it has the, I don't know what it's called. It's like a silicone fill around the cap so it doesn't slip and slide. It has combs. It does not have an adjustable strap, which I was worried about, but it is so snug. When I tell y'all I did not do anything to this wig, I didn't have to prep this wig. No plucking the lace. It came ready to be put on your head. Literally, that's it. The baby hairs already done. I just swooped them with the brush. Like, you literally have to do absolutely nothing to this wig. Just put it on, fix the, oh, it had an elastic band as well. Fix the elastic band, put the combs on, you're done. You're done. I absolutely love this. I was gonna sell this wig, but y'all, why you gonna kick the stuff like that? Why you gonna kick the stuff like that? Okay, mamas. What was I saying? What was I saying? Do you know? Okay. You don't gotta worry about the tabs. Every time I had to install a closure wig, I always talked about the tabs, not for your mouth. And you don't have to cut the tabs or blend the tabs. And with the cap, you don't have to do anything, y'all. I highly suggest, this is my type of wig. My type of wig. I just need this in a kinky, I hope y'all companies are listening, I need this in a kinky straight. I have a body wave, but I'm gonna sell that one. I know I am. I need a long body wave and this type of wig construction. And it's breathable. You guys, it's not like a dome cap. It's, wrong side if you're gonna put it in your mouth. It has the holes in the cap, so it's very breathable. It's not, y'all, I can go on and on about this wig. It is so good. So good. And yeah, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop talking. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's super quick. If you guys have already tried this wig, leave a comment down in the comment section. Let us know how your experience was. I guarantee it was good. It had to be good. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no?